Happy Friday, everyone. Hope everyone's doing good, had a good week, and yada, yada, yada. Here we are in the garage. Yeah, in the garage. So, tinkering around, I decided, I don't know if this is going to work or not, but hey, who cares? I added another inlet or outlet or whatever let into the intercooler. Just got done welding it up. It looks okay, and that's all we're going to look at that. Broke out the trusty welder. I love that thing. Best $825 I spent. So, moving along. Engine is in. Turbos are kind of in. Still trying to figure out what we're going to do, how we're going to set stuff up. I need to get me a narrower radiator because the neck will hit here, the old one over there. Maybe mount the intercooler here. We'll have to cut out some of the bottom of the bumper cover. I don't know, still work in progress. Still haven't decided what we're going to do with the steering column yet. Use a stock, use one I made. I have no idea. No idea. But making slow progress. Yeah, other than that, that's about all that's going on. Garage is still a mess. Drive shaft I think will work out of the Mustang. I got to change the yoke for the Turbo 400. Got to get some flange bolts for the 8.8 rear end. I got my lower control arms made and they're in. I got the coilovers in, but it's about all that's going on. Again, working on that thing, tinkering around, just trying to figure out where I want to spend what money I don't have next. But we got a lot of time. That's what I'll say in April when it's time to go racing or whatever I do. So, just another short video, like I said, of what's going on. I appreciate everybody watching. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends if you want. Have a good weekend. See you later.